No.
Ooh, dang. Hey guys, welcome back to 4 Kids in a Farm. My name is Aaron. My wife Rachel and I have a 5-acre farm, 4 kids here in Northern California. 2 of our pigs were very sick. We gave them antibiotics. Hold it tight.
Tight, tight.
They're doing well. We're trying to get them on pasture really quick. And part of getting them on pasture successfully is training them to electric fencing. So we're going to show you how we do it. It's really easy. There's a couple squeals, but in the end it's totally worth it because you get to move your pigs to fresh, new ground every few days, and it works wonders on your pasture. We're very excited. Our pasture pork is the best pork we've ever had. You can't buy it. You gotta raise your own, and this is, in our opinion, in our humble opinion, the only way to do it. He's itching his butt. It's so fun on the farm, seeing the pigs itch their booties.
You get it?
Why their water won't ever stay up
I know.
In our pen, I've got 2 T-posts, and you can see the gap here. So I am going to run this electrical tape up and down each one, and that will ensure that when we put the electrical fencing through here, it won't ground out when it touches the metal. So here we go. It's a little, the pigs are distracted. I'm going to do it so I don't get any nibbles on my fingers. So these rolls of tape are like, you can get a pack of 12 for like $9 at Home Depot. So I'm really not wasting anything here if I use this whole roll. When we're done with these T-posts, we can just cut it up and dispose of it. Oh, no nibbles. No nibbles.
Of course. Of course, yeah.
Now what? Hey. Oh, you're not gonna touch it once that electric fence is going through. Hey, Alora, get their attention over there.
You go get him some acorns, baby?
Oh, get him some acorns,
I
yeah.
would love that. Yeah.
You got a loop. No, hey. I did all that work. Leave it alone. Hey,
Talk to it. They're eating acorns.
Okay, so guys, since we're meeting kids, mom and dad told us to go get the pig fencing so that we can get these guys onto some pasture. Okay, first and foremost, our ducks can be really loud, so I'm gonna go get them some food so that we can quiet them down.
So guys, this fencing has been out here for a while because we used it for the sheep, then we put them over in the pasture over there. So now we're gonna use it for the pigs. Let's get to work.
We've had some good rain, so it should be easy. It shouldn't be too hard like it is in the summer.
So guys, right now we are pulling out the fence, and it is pretty easy. Good thing we're doing this in the winter. Yeah. So yeah, we're just gonna do the rest of this and we'll bring it over to the pig pen. Okay, so we're bringing it over and we're gonna put it up.
Thanks, boys, for getting the fence. Good hard workers. So we're gonna set it up to the rest of the chargers, but we only want like a small portion going through this little gap over here. So we'll have to set the other stuff up first, and then we'll find out how much slack we have here. So I don't want to put it through yet because if it's not electrified, they'll chew on it. So I want to get it in there, flip the switch or push the button, get it electrified, and then they won't ever touch it. Well, they'll touch it once, never touch it again.
Once or twice.
Maybe twice.
So here's the garden that we need to finish ripping up the rest of the rows. Winter garden's beyond that over there. And then this is the big part of the garden where we had all the squashes and everything. So we're gonna train them in here and let them have the space first. Yes, you can give them a little bit.
Did I dump them in, Mom?
And you can give them some. They'll appreciate it, huh? Acorns give good marbling.
The pigs.
Yeah, you have healthy meat, should be red and good marbling, huh? Oh, babies. Another one.
The kids just call me DP Rage Monster.
I said it came close to that. I didn't say
No, we were just talking about how, like, when we used to move animals, we've gotten way better. Huh, babe? No rage
I've
monster.
accepted what I cannot change. That is one thing. When you see people setting these things up, no, it's never smooth. It's never straight. There's always a slack in it. You move one side, the other side. We love Premier One fencing.
Yeah.
But it is a skill to put it up the right way. And by yourself. It's impossible to put it up by yourself.
Good thing we got good helpers, huh?
Can you guys go get the hose?
We've got it insulated on both sides so it won't short out if it's touching this. And then the pigs are gonna have to choose to go around the fence. And they're gonna want to because we're gonna fill up that water. We're gonna put some things down here, some acorns down here just to make them curious. So they're forced to touch that fence. And then let the squealing commence.
I don't want to be in here while he's doing it.
Okay, here we go.
Oh gosh.
Oh, guys.
Oop.
Oh.
Don't play with it. Yep.
Oh.
Yep. Sorry, guys. I know. Sorry. Don't touch it anymore, Kay.
They're just like, stay away.
So one of the things that we have to worry about is this is a psychological barrier, right? Like these pigs are big enough to just run through this thing.
Nope.
Oh, dang. So now they know when they touch it, they'll back up instead of go through it. They've got a taste of it and they're not gonna wanna touch it. They may touch it a few more times, but you can see they're very wary of it, which is so good because these big animals we can have on pasture, no problem. They're going to be safe from predators. They're going to be contained in the area we want them to be contained in. We can move them to new pasture all the time, and it's better for their health. It's better for them to
Soil.
have in the soil in our pasture. Oh, you okay? Okay. So just taking these precautions is so beneficial for our animals' health. So we got to feed them water, guys.
Guys, go grab him some water, please. Let's fill him up.
Oh, you won't hop up on that electric
Oh,
fence,
look at
will
you.
you?
Yeah. Hi, honey.
Oh, maybe. Oh. Oh.
Oh gosh, guys, come on. Don't touch it.
Well, it's working.
Hey, bud.
See, I wonder if I'll put some acorns.
Oh,
Yeah.
I know, buddy.
I didn't even have to do that.
I know, you didn't. They just were curious.
So we're gonna call it a night. We're gonna leave this going all night. Tomorrow morning, we're gonna expand this out so they can actually be in our garden space. So we're gonna wrap up, feed the other animals, and we'll see you in the morning. All right, guys, I'm out here the next day. I mean, if it's not obvious that these guys are just living their best life, they're totally digging this. We are happy with this. This is how we want to raise all of our animals, doing exactly what they're raised to do in an environment that's safe and healthy for them. This makes us happy. Next step for them is to getting them on pure pasture, which is right over here. We're gonna put them to work being on grass, rooting, and then cover cropping right in after them. So follow us along for that. We got lots of adventures to come. If you enjoyed this video, if you are interested in raising your own food and homesteading, jump in, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next video.